Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve phone is getting on flashlight unavailable problem in Android phone. Let's see how to fix this problem. Press on power button, click on restart and tap to restart. Go to phone setting and click on my phone and click on update. Make sure update latest version on your Android phone and swipe down notification panel. Turn off mobile data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and hotspot and location. Now turn on flashlight or torch. Flashlight working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.